Lyco's Mini Snipper processes green and wax beans efficiently and is ideal for the fresh market. The Mini Snipper is available in a 22-inch diameter cylinder size and has a capacity of 800 to 900 pounds per hour. Lyco Mini Snippers have soft edge baffles, which greatly reduces bruising, and the machine has a snipping efficiency of up to 95%. A 5mm pocket is standard and a 4mm pocket is optional. And Mini Snipper's unique design includes stainless sharp cut V-knife assemblies with unbreakable stainless knife holders. Lyco's Mini Snipper is the industry's best and most efficient machine when it comes to snap green and wax bean equipment. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.